In automotive manufacturing, seconds stack up. Every cycle, every handoff, every stop on the line matters. What if one solution could boost your productivity without expanding your footprint?
Meet the all-new UR8 Long robot, engineered for long-reach performance in tight production lines. From pick-and-place, material handling to inspection. It brings precision handling where bigger industrial arms just can't fit. Built on the trusted UR architecture, with joints engineered for lasting precision and round-the-clock reliability. It's lighter than traditional industrial arms, yet strong enough to handle high-frequency workflows with precision. Engineered for rapid deployment, it delivers consistent quality, enhanced safety, and measurable gains in productivity and efficiency. Just plug it in, teach it once, and run it shift after shift. Program by hand, in minutes. Scale it across the line with less downtime, fewer redesigns, and no custom barriers to clear.
Need to pivot fast? The UR8 Long is flexible. Whether you're shifting to electrical vehicles, tightening takt times, or facing labor shortages, it is reach, repeatability, and return of investment in one compact package.
The all-new UR8 Long. Long reach, lean footprint, no compromise.